Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to create a modern CV using Photoshop. Firstly, make a new document, go to File and New. Now select A4 size. If you want to use this CV for web or digital platforms, you can choose RGB color mode, or if you want to print this, you can choose CMYK 4 color mode. Then click Create. Firstly, make a small margin for our document. It's like 3 or 2 millimeters. Now select rectangle tool and create a rectangle using a dark color. Then select a polygonal tool and create a triangle. Give 3 for this value. Duplicate it using Ctrl+J. Double click on the shape layer and change the color. Create a rounded rectangle for your image. Create these shapes using rectangle tool. Press Ctrl+J or Command+J for duplicate your shape layer. Then select type tool and type your name and other details. In this small window, you can change all of character settings. Now I get the image and make it clipping mask on the shape layer. You can create a clipping mask, hold Ctrl, Alt and G. Now you can type your full details in your CV. You can download this Fontaine link in the description. You can duplicate this type layer and move. Now we are going to create a skill bar. Create a rounded rectangle layer and press Ctrl+J for duplicate it. Double click on the shape layer and change the color and change the size. After create a one bar, you can duplicate it for 4 times or 5 times. Now you can type your about me section and other details. I'm used dummy text for the descriptions. You can create a bullet using brush tool. Finally, you can save as a PDF. Select Photoshop PDF and give your name. Then click OK. You can choose any option in these categories. I select high quality print and untick these options. Now click Save PDF.